11. Okay. Do you know Professor Oak? Yeah, he's my grandfather, but you sure wouldn't think so. He's the one who licensed me and Red to become Pokemon trainers. Let me tell you, ever since I was little, way before we were even trainers, he always did like Red so much better than he ever did me. That's a bit different in the games, right? Pretty sure Professor Oak liked Bloomer. Everything I did, all the things I accomplished now, and no matter how strong I got, Grandpa always seemed to think Red somehow did it better. Like Red some special snowflake prodigy and just nobody. Aww. I still didn't ask though. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I called him, Grandpa right after it happened. Told him about like, how I could have said eradicate and how sad I was. Do you know what he told me? Oh, that's too bad, son. How about you catch a new one, a stronger one instead? I mean, he's not wrong though. How about you just catch a new one? Doesn't care about me one bit. But do you want to know another thing? I'm over it now. I'm done being Red's runner.